The Hawaii Home or Houseless Outreach and Medical Education Project, led by passionate students, residents, and faculty, offers hands-on care to those in need while giving students a preview of caring for their communities. Every year, Home Project hosts Hoʻola me ke Kahiau, healing with compassion through selfless giving, and this year's celebration did not disappoint. Guests were treated to a food and dessert tasting by local vendors, a silent auction, and live performances by the talented JABSOM Artists and Musicians under the glow of string lights brighten up JABSOM's grand lawn. Proceeds from this event hope to attain more resources that fuel the Home Project's mission of care and compassion. The event is also a celebration of the impact they made in our community. A huge mahalo to the Home Project team, volunteers, and those involved with this event. Stay tuned for more on the Home Project's community initiatives throughout the year by following us at UHMed JABSOM and following Home Project on Facebook and Instagram at Hawaii Home Project.